Hi everyone and welcome back. So today we'll be discussing about how to add featured on LinkedIn. So before we start, click the first link in the description below to get 90% off the only LinkedIn 8-in-1 growth package that gives you lifetime access to 100 plus premium LinkedIn templates to grow your LinkedIn account by attracting opportunities to your profile, converting viewers into leads, and transforming your leads into income. Now, jumping back onto the video, now what we need to do is simply head over to our profile from the top left side of your screen and then scroll a little bit down until you can see basically we have this featured section in here. So we are going to be making our post visible in here. So just scroll a little bit down more and you can see we have this show all post, and you're going to be choosing a post that you want to add onto your featured section. So click on these three dots and then you can see currently it is visible remove from featured. So instead of this, there will be add to featured if you simply click on this option, and that's how it will be showing up in your featured section. Make sure to let us know in the comments below if this was helpful. And yeah, now do not forget to click the link below to get your 90% discount to 100 plus lifetime templates to upgrade your LinkedIn into an income generating asset today. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, stay tuned for more, and share with your friends. See you guys around in the next video.